Kisii.
Kaunti ma Kisumu en achiel kuom kaunti ang'wen ma idhi chakie chenro mar tudo jopur kod kuonde ma inyiewe gige pur kod pith ma ong'ere ni agrovet e yor lony ma nyasani e neno ni giyudo ote makare mag bero pith maggi. Riwruok moko mar piny owacho Alliance for Science wacho ni thoth jopur ni kod pek e yudo ote e wi rech, yedhe, kothe, mbolea kod kata puonj makare mabero yuto margi. Chenro biro neno ni jopur kod jopith otudore kod weg agrovet e yor lony ma nyasani kata yor lony mar WhatsApp mondo konygi e ng'ado paro kaluwore kod weche mag pur mondo geng' ahinya kata ohinga mar koso ng'eyo. Counties kaka Nakuru, Uasin Gishu, Kakamega kod Kirinyaga bende biro timie chenro maket kama.
Starting in Kisumu because we have a history in Kisumu. We understand Kisumu a lot more and the policy. With the other counties, we are developing the relationships to understand what their priorities are. But sometimes government priorities are not the same as community priorities or even farmers' priorities. Sometimes there's some kind of a gap. And so we hope to bridge the listening gap so that we can feed back to the county government and say, you know, you have this wonderful strategy that prioritizes 1, 2, 3, but the community are telling us their priorities are a little bit different.
The reason why we're here in Kisumu today is to first and foremost launch a pilot of the Agrovet's digital platform, which we're also going to launch in 4 other counties, but this is just a pilot. But geographically, we're going to actually also be in Kirinyaga. We're also going to do this in Nakuru and also in Uasin Gishu, and also in Kakamega as well. So again, we're very clear that people need access to verified and credible information to be able to make sound decisions with respect to what and how it is they can be informed about agricultural practices.